So this problem should be solved rather quickly. So keep in mind that these signs here are the absolute value signs. Okay, so in short, the question is asking what's the absolute value of minus 3 minus the absolute value of minus 4 minus the absolute value of 5. So what we're going to do first is we're gonna find or solve the figures in absolute values at first, okay? And we're going to do that. If we do that, then the absolute value of minus 3 is 3. I'm going to bring down a sign. Minus the absolute value of minus 4 is 4. I'm going to bring down the sign. The absolute value of minus 5 is 5. And then we're going to break down this absolute values sign there. Okay? So if we want to further solve this, now we say 3 minus 4 is minus 1 minus 5, okay? So we're going to solve this one first. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. And then we say minus 5, okay? And bring down the absolute value. And if we take it further, minus 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 6. Okay? And the absolute value of minus 6 then is just 6.